Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. She did it all for me. Now I don't have to say it. That is a wrap for the 2022 Hooters calendar. All the girls left, so we're just,
it's just me.
That's just her.
It's a wrap. It's Tia.
That's it.
Cut.
Alright, that's it, guys. Now we're just gonna pack all this shit up. Alright guys, it's officially a wrap. We are now going back to the boat to do some promos and stuff. The girls are gonna drop off some gifts for kids. And yeah, should be fun. Where are we going?
We are going to an elementary school to drop off some sports equipment to the lovely elementary children of the island.
Is this your favorite part?
This is my favorite part. Oh shit!
Me too.
Run!
Hi ladies!
Hi!
Where is the elementary school? Elementary school? The school?
Yeah, go up this hill.
Okay.
And keep going. You'll ride right.
Okay, right? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So right now we are going to the elementary school where the girls are about to drop off some balls for elementary school kids. This is gonna be the best part.
The one kid that was saying next to me the whole time, it was Valentino Kyrie, and he goes, "Will you ever come back here?" And I said, "Of course I will." He said, "Can you please bring me a souvenir from wherever you're from?" He goes, I go, "Of course I will. What do you want?" He goes, "A flamingo snow globe." I said, "I'll be sure if I ever come back again to ask for Valentino Kyrie and give you a snow globe."
So after the elementary school promo, the next 2 days the girls hung out at the beach club to make their Hooter Calendar Girl appearances. But after that, well, that's where the fun begins. We just finished up at the beach party, a beach club opening, and now we're headed back to the boat. And here comes Matt in the dinghy. You guys might be able to see it. So we're gonna get on that. It's a big get on that. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for today. Tomorrow we are leaving around 10-11 a.m. But other than that, that pretty much wraps it up for today. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early, and you guys can see the process of us leaving. So catch y'all tomorrow. Alright, let's do this.
And we'll lean to the left. So we'll come back.
There you go, dog!
For all you bitches who thought I couldn't do it, I made it.
Alright, let's go.
This is really the ladder that he wants me to go up. What?
You got this, you got this. I'll be your ladder. Here, I'll set up the GoPro to record this quickly. So, here, ready?
If I could just get my foot up the loop.
No, but first, I'm gonna boost you up and then grab onto that pole so you can pull yourself and then you can pull your foot back. Pull yourself up.
I'm gonna have to wrap my leg around my back and keep my cross. How are you gonna get out?
Same way, but without help. Okay. You can record my madness.
If I need to grab on your arms, I can probably do that. That was hard. Oh yeah, look at that muscle man. Oh yeah, like a monkey. No, you're good. It's cemented in. What do I have to do? What should I do?
Ugh.
Oh my god. It's hard, right? We're living!
Welcome to my boat. This is where the magic happens. This is the slide, so you gotta slide through slide number 1, slide number 2.
It's a little rusty, but we'll grease her up for you. Are you ready?
No.
I'm not ready either. I'm actually scared.
No.
Wait, are we going on one or after one?
3, 2, 1. Go.